Hi, hello again. My name is Uri or Yuri or whatever you want to call me. Uri. Uri, it's a good one. And here again, I'm with the songbook, a Rainbow Caravan Songbook collection. And we are already on song number 25, which is a long way to go. Long way to go. We have 300 something songs in this book. Actually, there is 325 songs. So I wanted to sing it for you because this is right by the moon. Here's the moon, and this is, I know this is lots of beautiful sky going on here. And yeah, we are in the season of Capricorn. Happy New Year again. We are already on 2nd of January, so this is the time to start New Year. Well, you start New Year every day. Happy birthday for you. Happy New You. And this is the new year. We are Capricorn. Some people believe Capricorn is hell, Capricorn is devil, but we believe this is our time. This is our time to rise when the sun born again, and the day is gonna be better. So everything gonna become better. And this song is called Pacha Mama, which reminds me of my mama that passed away last year. And so I want you to share this song with you. And please sing it with me. I'll share it with your friends, your family, strangers, anybody. Smile. Smile is your best outfit. You can be naked and smile, and it's even the best. But smile is the best outfit. Okay, here we go. Pacha Mama. It's A minor, which is going like this. This is A minor. C, G, and A minor. This song actually very similar to West Virginia song, but this is Pacha Mama, and this is how it goes. Pacha Mama, I'm going home to the place where I belong. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. I want to be free, so free, like the flowers and the bees, like the birds in the tree, like the dolphins in the sea. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. I wanna fly high, so high, like eagles in the sky. And when that time has come, I want to lay down and die. I wanna fly high, so high, like an eagle in the sky. And when my time has come, I want to lay down and fly. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. I wanna be free, be the thing that I see. Not to rise, not to fall, being one, loving all. There is no high, there is no low, there is nowhere left to go, except inside a little star, and just be who you are. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. And all together now, Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. I wanna fly high, so high, like an eagle in the sky. And when the time has come, I wanna lay down and die. I wanna fly high, so high, eagle in the sky. When the time has come, I wanna lay down and fly. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. I want to be free, be the being that I see. Not to rise, not to fall, being one, loving all. There is no high, there is no low, there is nowhere left to go. Just inside a little star, telling me, be who you are. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. Shama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share this video, share this song, enjoy. This is the Rainbow Caravan Songbook collection, song number 25. And yeah, and please continue being who you are and spread peace and love all over the earth. May the peace be on earth. Thank you very much. It's time to go. Pacha Mama, I'm coming home. Bye bye.